Everybody, what you doing? Sit up, I can't see you.
I don't want to see this.
So, just...
Are you guys trying to pull it out by an apple? Yeah. That big apple.
Okay, show everybody what it does when you put the apple in your mouth. Come on.
Ew.
Go ahead. Bite.
Getting it out. For a second I thought it came out. Me too, I feel it.
Deep concentration. Let me see the tooth.
Oh, it's waiting. It's going through your hand. Now it's going all the way. It's going through. Let's get dressing around.
Oh, we can hear it.
How come I'm not seeing this? This is gross.
Dry it off. Dry your hand off.
Just around.
You got blood.
Oh, it's nasty. I'm just doing this.